Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this beautiful beads work designing, also highlighted with thread work and the sequence, which will really gives a stylish appeal when you wear it. And I am going to show you using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this. Firstly, we need to apply the glue dots like this to create the flower shape, and this would be the center. Using this as the reference, we'll create further extending the pack. Now on these glue dots I'll be sticking the designer rings of gold color. This is how we have to stick it. This is to create the flower shape. Now extending further towards the top, also applying the glue dots in the same way like how I've shown previously, and to underneath also I'd apply the glue dots in the same way. So center we have created first, following that creating further extending. Now towards sides also I'd be extending with this 7 dots. On both the sides we have to apply the glue dots, and on that glue dots we need to stick the designer rings. Now that the reference of creating this designer pattern has done, the filling with the golden beads, so I'd be applying the glue dots in center of this designer rings to stick the golden beads. These are the freehand designer patterns which you can try for overall designing, or else like the booties also you can create it in a small size. Like this on all the designer rings I would be sticking the golden beads. Now extending further with the leaf work. The leaf will be designed in this way. To make you visible I would be using the normal pencil, but use the invisible marker while doing this design. This is how the leaf work has to be designed, and these are also overall designing with the freehand pattern. So it's not compulsory that the size. For the filling of the leaf work I'd be using yellow color, and in the center I'd stitch with the blue color, and it's of 6 strands. And here for the filling of the leaf I'd be going with the fishbone stitch. The complete filling of the leaf will be done with fishbone stitch, which is the basic embroidering stitch, and this is how the stitch will be continued. Watching it carefully, this is the so simple and easy design. Even though having much more leaf work also we can create within less time, because this stitch is so simple that we can create it just like that. And I am done with the filling of the leaf work. In the center I'd stitch with the blue color of 12 strands, and it's of padded load stitch, giving the center stitch and overlapping stitches, placing it slantingly like this. This is how we'll create the padded load stitch. Now I'll be taking the chain bow lace to highlight this leaf work, so the outer line will be measured accordingly and cut. Now I'll be applying the glue to stick the chain bow lace. This is how, little by little, applying the glue, the leaf work will be elevated with the chain bow lace. Now the leftover gaps will be filled with the sequence work. The sequence will be stitched randomly to fill the gaps in between. The sequence will be stitched with the golden bead along, and this is how we have to stitch. And the leftover gaps will be filled with the small size of leaf work that could be done with the bronze Zardozi here. I cut in very small size in length, and this is how the padded load stitch with the Zardozi string will be done. Just stitch in the center and give the overlapping with the Zardozi strings like this, and completed pattern would look like this, and the full overall designing of the blouse would look like this. See how beautifully it's been done, isn't it? I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to our Comments World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.